Hello, my name is Shweihninzy and today we are reviewing the Milk Makeup Milk Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. And as you can see, I have acne, but it's 10 times better than what it used to be. This eyeshadow look, which is a little bit messy, don't judge, is with the Glamlite Pizza Meat Lovers palette, which I have another video on, so check that out. Let's go ahead and see the claims that this Milk foundation has. I got a little sample, which is great. I don't have to buy the whole thing if I don't like it. It's $40 and it comes in a wide range of colors. Designed to make applying and wearing foundation easy, Blur Liquid Matte Foundation offers flawless full coverage at first swipe, leaving a smooth matte finish that looks and feels as light as air. Fancy. I got mine in the color. Homegirl didn't write it down for me. Well, I don't know what color this is. It's one of the light ones. And as you know, I have acne. I'm oily, but we're going to go in with primer on one side. This is my absolute favorite primer, the Good Molecule silicone-free priming moisturizer. Your makeup does not go anywhere with this stuff on. So I'm going to go ahead and put a pump here. We'll put that on the left side of my face. And as you guys know, I always go in with the sponge on one side. This is the Juno & Co. sponge in this fun little yellow color, and I already have it wet. So cute! So it's like a microfiber sponge. And then on the other side, you guys know that I love the Sigma F80 brush. Oh, that's not it. Which you can get in my brush set with Sigma, so don't sit on that. And use discount code Shweihninzy for, I think, 10% off. So check it out. Let's dive in. It definitely has like a silicone-y feel to it. Whoa! That coverage. It has like a little bit of a scent to it as well. I am breaking out a lot right now, so like breaking out, like I don't break out as much as I used to. But this is like breaking out for me. Oh, I got a little bit of purple eyeshadow up here. Wow. It has a little bit of a glow to it, actually. That looks so pretty. So I don't have the primer on this side. I have the primer on this side. So. Oh. Oh. It's like caking up weird here. Can you see? It's like caking up kind of funny. Like I said, it has like a little bit of a silicone-y feel to it. And it doesn't feel like it sets. But there's one thin layer. Actually did a pretty decent job. I probably have to put more on my forehead, but that did a pretty good job of evening out my skin. So let's go in on the other side. Oh, I definitely put a lot more on this side. She is full coverage. Oh, I put way too much on this side. It didn't look like a lot, but she is full coverage. I definitely like it with the sponge side better because you don't get like those streaks with the brush. I didn't really get the streaks that badly, but I feel like I'm blending for days. I definitely put too much on that side, but let's go ahead and put concealer on, put the rest of my face on, and I'll be right back. Alright, I wanted to show you guys. So I was blending like my bake away and all that stuff here. So let me darken this. But it like is clinging to my nose right there. I would never, like I just took the brush and like went like that to get rid of the product, and all that makeup just moved. And it's like clinging all up on my forehead. Do you see that? And this is the primed side, so I don't know what is going on. It's like clinging, like it's like not sticking to my nose, and it's like clinging everywhere. Do you see that? Weird. so I didn't have a mic on. I thought it was because I saw like the mic thing like doing a thing. Maybe I turned it off. I can't remember. Here we are with the rest of my makeup done. I got finished putting my foundation on around 6 o'clock. So I'm going to be heading out. We got a little birthday thing to go to. So I know the foundation's not going to be on for terribly long. But I'm a night owl, especially when it's a Friday night. So I might have this on for quite a while. I wasn't happy with how stuff was like sitting on top of it. Like I did in the close-ups, like in some of the parts the foundation moved. I did apply setting spray to the foundation so that it would help make it not look as cakey and everything. So that is that. And I put a little bit of lip gloss on as well. I got the plumping serum from Hard Candy in the color, it's just the volumizing gloss. Oh, and Baby Doll. So that's what I have on top just to make it look a little bit more juicy. But yeah, let's go ahead and have a lovely Friday night and see how this foundation wears. Is the flash on? Oh, I look like the flash was on. It's hot. It's currently 12:14 a.m. Look at this hunger. Hello, the time is currently 1:37 a.m. so I've had this foundation on for 7 hours and it is not looking cute at all. It is completely separated, if you guys can see. I got this huge honker right here. Look at that. I haven't had a foundation separate like this in forever. My eyeshadow still looks good though. But that does not look cute. I might have to say this foundation is a no-go for oily and acne-prone skin. Yeah, this is not looking cute. So this is a no for me. Thank you for watching and let me know what other foundations you guys want me to try. Bye!